Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be trying out the new, or I'm not even sure how new it is. I've heard of it before, the Guinness Draft Nitro. Now I've not opened this yet. I believe we do need to charge it up, so hopefully it's good. So connect, active pour. I don't know what. So the pack contains the nozzle, the USB charger, and a brush. Just like you're proposing to someone, I guess. Will you pour my Guinness for me? In it, you get some instructions. Oh, the case is actually magnetic, so this is probably a good case to keep it in anyway. Connect, active, pour, quick start guide, scan, read. There's the active pour thing. Remove before use. Is that it? I thought there was supposed to be like a... Oh yeah, there is. There's my brush. It's £30, so it's pretty pricey, but once you have it, I guess you've got it forever, or as long as the battery holds out. So there's your nozzle. Where should I put that? There we go. It just screws on. Nice. Remove cap before use. There we go. And I believe that's it, ready to go. Obviously, I'll need to wait until my beer is cooled down and this to charge. I just read the instructions. That thing takes 8 hours to charge. Well, fully charge. And it's recommended the can stay in for 24 hours. That's insane. Right, it's near enough been 24 hours since I put the cans in the fridge, so they should be settled. The device actually charged within, I think, 8 hours, so the light on the top stopped flashing. So I'm gonna get it out, I'm gonna try. I don't have a Guinness glass. All I've got is this 2 pints prick glass, is still game.
All this chat, and I do believe I'm speaking for both of us, has made us very, very thirsty. 2 pints prick.
I will try and get a Guinness glass. I kind of partly hoping Nicola's brought me back one, but that's yet to be seen. She may not bring me back anything. Right, so I've got the Guinness Nitro Surge, and you're to put the... First things first, you need to run the Nitro Surge with the USB port closed underwater. That's that done. So I'm going to open the Nitro Surge. Can I see? I'm putting it on, obviously, the way the can goes. And that's that there. So, time for the first pour in a non-Guinness glass. So I'm going to try and take it to the prick bit. So I'm going to press, I believe I just press it, and 45 degrees.
So watching this over, what I should have done was keep the Nitro Surge at 45 degrees while flattening the glass.
Right, and that's the light went off. So let it settle for a minute. Then I'm going to do the final pour, but I'm not going to turn it on because apparently that's what the guy said to do. Right, that's roughly been about a minute. So going to finish it off now with the final pour. Because it's not a Guinness glass, what you can see, slight doming off it. I've probably murdered it. I'm not. This is my first time usage of it. but hopefully I'll get a Guinness glass and try this again. I've got 7 more attempts. Right, I'll give that time to settle. This is the final results. I was going to buy another can of Guinness just to test it out between the two to see if there's any actual difference between it, but we'll find. I think I'll need to work on my pouring skills, but anyway, cheers. I mean, it is chasing the side though. Do have the a wee bit of potash, but not the creamiest of tash. It's got the sides though, so that's a good sign apparently. You definitely taste the iron. Yeah, it'll be a work in progress. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the comments down below. Any recommendations for me to get better at pouring this at least, put them down there. Hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.